What's up, Mom? Yeah, shit about. You know about my belt? They give you anything out of booking with your picture on it so you'll be able to cash a check? What's your SD?
Yeah, for sure.
What do you want to say to your lawyers?
They're the greatest lawyers in the world.
The jurors?
You say,
What do you want to say to the jurors?
are the greatest jurors in the world too. I mean, just like my lawyers.
Were you, do you have any concerns about getting an acquittal today, or? I mean, they were only out 90 minutes. You didn't have long to worry. So.
I have faith in my lawyers. I knew that they was going to do a good job.
Now I'm asking you one hard question. Do you have anything to do with Mr. Richards' death?
No.
Okay.
You'll sign right there saying you're getting $328.86 back. You can only cash this check at one bank in the entire world. That's the Regional Bank of Washington here in Belleville. You don't know what that is. Okay, for you.
Yeah, I'll put that.
Can you guys tell me your strategy for the trial? Just give me the thumbnail.
Sure. It was pretty easy. It was a case of actual innocence. Our theory was that he simply was not the person on the parking lot of that nightclub that night. There's no doubt, reasonable doubt on that issue, and we just left it in the jury's hands, and they did the right thing.
This is your second acquittal in 2 months of a murder defendant. What can you tell us about, are you guys a dynamic duo? Should the state's attorney have something to fear?
No, I wouldn't say that. I mean, we had two very good cases. We had two cases where we thought we had innocent clients, and ultimately the evidence showed that, and they were exonerated. Two very different cases. The first one was a self-defense case. This was a case where the person they charged, in our opinion, just simply wasn't the person that committed the crime. So they were different defenses, but they were both good defenses.
And we were very fortunate in both to have very attentive juries. And that's obviously everything in a case like
definitely
this.
second that.
And the jury came back so quickly with a verdict. Were you surprised by the speed of the verdict?
Well, I was surprised. I was very relieved, that's for sure. We really thought that the evidence was woefully lacking in this case. We felt good when it was a quick verdict. We heard the jury laughing when we walked in. That's a good sign too. But we never counted our chickens, because you never know until you know.
How many years could he have been facing?
Well, he would have been facing a minimum of 45 years. They had filed a special enhancement under Illinois law. If you commit first-degree murder and you're convicted of first-degree murder and a firearm is used in the commission of that murder, they add 25 years to the minimum, which is 20 in Illinois. So it's a minimum.
Does he have to serve 100% of that?
100% of 45 years, no doubt. I mean, the man would have died in prison. There's no question about that.
And the sentence could have been upwards to life in prison itself.